In today's video, we're going to be working on volume of a cube. On the right hand side, you see that our formula is V equals side S to the third power. So for number one, we're just going to go ahead and write the formula like always, just so we know what do we put S to the third power, okay? Now, all we're going to do is put in 5 where the sides are, and as you can see, once one side is 1, all the sides are going to be the same, okay? So V is equals 5 to the third power, which is the same as V equals 5 times 5 times 5, okay? Once we go ahead and multiply that, 5 to the third power is going to be equal to 125 inches cubed, and that will be your answer for it, okay? And for number 2, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and put V equals S to the third power, and V equals, plug in what is your side. Our side here is going to be 7, so we're going to go ahead and plug in 7 to the third power, okay? Same thing, just going to go ahead and skip this part here where I just write all the 7s and go 7 to the third power is the same as 7 times 7 times 7, and when you multiply all that, I get 343 inches cubed, okay? And for the next examples, like always, go ahead and try to challenge yourself. Stop and pause the video, and if you're still having problems with 1 and 2, go back, pause the video, go back and look at it as many times as you have to so you can go ahead and know how to do it. And don't forget to share the video with any of your friends that need help with it. So remember, for these examples, go ahead and try to do it before I go and then press play. So for number 3, we have same thing. We always write the formula V. You don't have to write the formula, but I always tell you guys to write it so you know how to just plug in your number. So we have V equals S to the third power. In this case, our S is going to be, our side is going to be 3. So I have V equals 3 to the third power, which we said on the other example 1 is the same as 3 times 3 times 3. Once we multiply all that, we're going to go ahead and get 27 inches cubed, and that will be our answer, okay? For number 4, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. V equals S to the third power, and V equals, in this example, our S is going to be 11 inches. So we have 11 inches to the third power, okay? V equals, once I multiply 11 times 11 times 11, or 11 to the third power, we have 1,331 inches cubed. That's our answer. And once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like.